Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Walk with Shay. On today's video we're doing something different. We're not in London today, we are on the coast of Suffolk in Felixstowe, as you can see behind me. Today I'm going to show you the town, the beach and the sights around it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Walk with me, let's go, let's go. Have a look at where Felixstowe is on the map of the UK. So Felixstowe is in the county of Suffolk, which is in the east of England, in the East Anglia region. And Felixstowe is in the southeast corner of the county. Felixstowe is the only town in Suffolk, coastal town, that faces south. And Felixstowe is obviously known for Felixstowe Port, but the town itself has a lot more to see than just the port. Felixstowe is about 70 miles or 75 miles northeast of central London. And the town is accessible via the A14 road if you're coming from the Midlands or London. And it's also accessible via the Greater Anglia Felixstowe branch. So if you're coming from London, you want to get a train from London to Ipswich, then from Ipswich to Felixstowe, basically. So guys, we start the video here in a place called Felixstowe Ferry. Felixstowe Ferry is about 2 or 3 miles northeast or east of Felixstowe town centre. But as you can see, it's quite a popular destination for sort of boats, yachts and so on, basically, pretty much. The name itself is quite self-explanatory because there is a ferry, as you can see there, which actually takes you from this side, which is Felixstowe Ferry, across there to a place called Bordsey, basically. So this is called Felixstowe Ferry. It's a very, very quiet part of Felixstowe. So guys, as you can see here, this is a map of Felixstowe that I'm showing you. I'm pointing at Felixstowe town centre in relation to where Felixstowe Ferry is. So as you can see, Felixstowe Ferry is about 2 miles northeast of Felixstowe town centre, across the River Deben from Bordsey. So as you can see there, that is a map of Felixstowe roughly. As you can see here, this is Felixstowe Ferry Sailing Club, which is for sailors of all ages and ability range in the area. And as you can see, there's some boats there as well. So I'm standing here in front of one of the Martello Towers. So these towers were built around the 19th century and can be seen all up and down the east coast of England. These were initially designed to be sort of watch out points for foreign invaders coming from the sea, especially during the era where Napoleon was threatening to invade the United Kingdom. In Felixstowe it's no different. These towers are very, very visible to be seen, and you can see them across many other towns across the coast as well, as you can see in these pictures that I'm putting up on the screen now. So if you ever come to Felixstowe, have a look. These are very, very common. So, as you can see with any coastal town, you see a wide variety of beautiful houses along the coast, such as these ones that you see here, going up and down this lovely road. You can also see as well a wide variety of beach huts, as you can see here. A lot of these are normally rented out all throughout the year for a fair price, and you can literally put whatever you want in here: towels, food, drink, whatever. And it's a good way to keep your valuables safe whilst you enjoy your time down on the coast of Felixstowe. So guys, we're about halfway through the video. I've shown you Felixstowe Ferry and walks that way. We're going to head this way now, back into the town centre, down by the pier and down by Felixstowe docks. Walk with me, let's go. Here we are guys, approaching the main part of Felixstowe. In the background you can see the docks and also Felixstowe Pier approaching. So I'm passing through Felixstowe Seafront Gardens, and these are known as the Garden Resort of East Anglia. As you can see, it's a very nice open green space for people to sit down and chill out. If you ever come here, try to come here very often because it's actually on the seafront. And the garden is actually Grade 2 listed all around. And it's a very good and fun place to hang out. As you can see here, this has the history of Felixstowe Seafront Gardens. And this here is called the Round Pond. So get down here, have a look, chill out and come down to Felixstowe Seafront Gardens. Just like many other towns and cities across the UK, Felixstowe has its own tribute to its own war veterans from the First and Second World War, as you can see right here. These men and women paid the ultimate sacrifice during the war to defend not only Felixstowe but the whole of the United Kingdom also. So here is the famous Felixstowe Pier. So as you can see, there isn't much on the pier at present, but previously this pier was full of rides and many other amenities. Today it's just got a cafe and also an indoor arcade as well. And also, as you can see as well, it's got very good views of the rest of Felixstowe. But I believe this pier was once one of the longest in the country in its prime. Here we are at the Landguard Nature Reserve. So this nature reserve covers approximately 33 hectares or 81 acres, and it's located on the southern tip of the Suffolk coast. You can see a lot of variety of rare plants here, migrating birds, and it's got a strong military history as well. It's actually designated a local nature reserve due to its local community and the site of specific scientific interest. So come down and take a look at this area. The port of Felixstowe, as you can see, is Britain's largest container port and handles up to 48% of all of Britain's container traffic. The port of Felixstowe was opened in 1875, and as you can see, it can carry up to 4 million 20-foot containers all at once. More than 2,000 ships pass through here every single day, and you see a variety of lorries and freight trains here as well to carry these containers to destinations all across the UK. It's also a very good viewing point as well for tourists. As you can see here, there's a cafe. And across the sea is the town of Harwich in Essex, where there's also a port, but a passenger port for journeys across to the Netherlands. But Felixstowe Port is a fantastic sight to see. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I've got many more of these kinds of videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Until next time, walk with me. Let's go.